Flawless. If you're new here, please like, share, and follow for more. The pastor of this young lady has fallen, but I'm still trying to understand something. I don't know why someone will do this, but hear me out. On a normal day, when your phone is spoiled or your phone is damaged, the logic thing to do is take your phone to a repairer or someone who can fix it for you. But one sister decided to do something different, something unexpected, something that will bust your mind. Watch this video.
Maame di second chance powder ne oil afa no fuani adan no phone asay. Maame di second chance powder ne oil afa no fuani adan no phone asay.
Omo, Charlie. Anointing oil, really? Using anointing oil to fix your phone is crazy. I just want to understand something. I make a note for the comment section. Cause what power will make someone do this? Or some secret be there for the background we will not know. Cause this whole thing, it bust my mind. I know they understand. Somebody for explain this thing. Cause I go see you for the next.